Hello and welcome to monkeyhappy.com stage 565. This is Monkey Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. So let's pick up all these objects around the place. He wants glasses and a cane. Let's go to the next screen, pick up more of these objects. He wants 20 of those choc drops. Put the wheel or the gear in here. Combine the two pipe bits. Put them on there. Get the lever and pull the lever. That opens that up. Combine the two candy pieces. Stick that in there. Here we've got Oompa. That's two O's. MPA. And the empty pot. Oops, sorry. Fills up there. Then we hang it on that hook. Then we, what did I forget to pick up? There's one there. So you got 19 so far. To open this up, we need to look here. It's count these leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3. So 7, 6, 5, and 3. Combine it to 20 drops and give them to this dude here. Combine the glasses and the cane. Whoop, and stick that in there. There you go, guys. That's how you complete monkeyhappy.com stage 565. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for playing and I hope to see you next time.